Affiliate marketing is the promoting of products that other people make or for businesses like travel, finance, credit, as such. Marketers publish links online on multiple sites. Affiliates promote your products, and once they make a sale, they earn commissions. Affiliate marketing is successful because many new customers see your products. The customer's interest is piqued when he or she sees a product over and over again. There are two ways of doing affiliate marketing. Either start your affiliate program or become another company's affiliate. For every sale that you make because of affiliate efforts, you pay a commission. Should you opt to have your affiliate program, every purchase means that you pay a commission. If you choose to promote another business on your site, you will earn a commission for every sale you make. Doing this is useful if your online presence is evident. Your opinion tends to matter to viewers, especially if they trust your opinion. If you promote a product by sharing a link that leads to the product information with them, the chances are they will buy it. The idea behind starting your affiliate program is to penetrate into new ground for marketing your products. You may begin an affiliate program if you have your own business, and you'd like to get new clients. Having your affiliate program allows you to set the rules. For instance, you can limit certain marketing channels from use by the affiliates. It also reduces competition. Understand that you are not competing for the same leads. It is more efficient to work with a small, serious team of affiliates. Conclusion: working with a vast group of affiliates who are not serious is not effective. If you start your affiliate program, it is important to work with affiliate companies that have a good reputation. It will make it easy to manage your affiliate program. The affiliates pushing your products to the markets are also a representation of your brand. The affiliates are an extension of your sales team. If you choose to market someone else's products, you need to be truthful about the product. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel and podcast.